I'm going to make this whole place go down. Evil Jack. How was school? It was good. Let's see what's on the news. This is Joseph and Cody Rules VGCP, and today we found out that someone made an earthquake.
I know who caused that. It was Evil Jack. Evil Jack. If you're watching this, you should be grounded by your good version.
Evil Jack. What the heck is wrong with you? You know you're not allowed to do that.
Evil Jack. If you're watching this, you should be grounded by your good version.
Evil Jack. You know that making an earthquake can destroy the building. And now you destroyed it thanks to you.
This has got to be the worst things you always do.
I agreed with my girlfriend.
Let me yell this out loud.
Evil Jack, you are the worst student and brother to ever had. You know better than that, you spoiled brat.
That's all for the news. And now back to your show. Oh, Evil Jack. How dare you make an earthquake? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room now.
What?
I hope you enjoyed watching this video.